Hello everyone. My name is Hoon Kang, and I'm going to teach you guys for this semester. Since we have Corona-19 virus, so this is an emergency class for 2 weeks. Uh, so I hope you guys concentrate on this subject. This semester, this the class name uh, uh, is probability and random variables. Now, what is probability? Probability is a numerical measure we can compute based on mathematical axioms, which involves uncertain or random events. Random signal, by definition, is a time waveform uh, as a time function whose characteristics are determined by some kind of a probabilistic sense. Now take a look at some examples. The first one is a broadcasting radio receiver. So you hear uh, some music or some voices, and these voices are uh, composed of desirable waveform, which is information, plus undesirable waveform, which we call noise. So this is Vt plus Nt. Now, V is a voice, and N is a noise. Now, the second example, we have a television system, and a long time ago, this analog TV, when you didn't turn off this TV after you are sleeping, the picture inference called snow appear on the screen, which I will call this white noise. The waveform of white noise looks like on the left hand side of us at the bottom, and spectrum, frequency spectrum response looks like very flat in this sense. Okay, in this class, from now on, I will define mathematical notations. A slash means assumption or axiom. EX slash is an example. D slash is a definition. L slash, T slash, C slash, they are all some kind of theorems. Lemma theorem and corollary, respectively. And the arrow is an implication mark, and the bidirectional arrow, I will call this some kind of necessary and sufficient condition. And some crooked symbol over there, or on a character we have a bar, or on the right top we have a small c character. I will define this guy as a not or complement of a. And inverse a character, which is for all, and mirror image of alphabet E, capital E, which I will define this guy as there exists. Also, S point, T point is such that I point, E point is edest in Latin, which is that is. And small w bar is sometimes I will call this with, and sometimes where. P point T is point, and NBHD is an abbreviation of neighborhood. And we have three dots, triangular dot, which is defined as therefore, and reversed three dot is defined as because, etc. So I'm going to give you, if you have some kind of extra symbols coming out, mathematical symbols, then I will tell you at the time. Okay. Also, we have 24 Greek characters, both consonants and vowels. If you compare with the English characters, English alphabet characters, 26 of them, what is missing? Two characters in this Greek alphabets is they are J and V symbols, and I'm going to use a lot of these Greek alphabet characters in this class. Before I proceed on probability, let's review set definitions. Okay, a set is a collection of the object, and I will use capital A. And elements are objects in a set. So, for example, if set A is curly bracket A, comma B, comma C, comma D, then our set include element small a. So A is included in the set A, but small e is not included in set A. Class is a bigger concept, and class is a collection of sets. So you can use capital A, B, C. They are all sets, but you can use curly bracket as in order to collect three sets inside one class. Okay. Also, by the way, there are two methods when you specify a set. The first one is tabular method, and the second one is rule method. In tabular method, you explicitly enumerate elements. For example, capital A, you have 4 elements inside the set A, which are 6, 7, 8, 9. When you describe by using some rules implicitly, then it's called a rule method. Okay? For example, capital B is specified by some rule, which we have in which you have a small b is between 5 and 10, and you also define b as integers.